the problem with feedback or how not to coach people. Now, the biggest problem right now, for the last 40 years, psychologists have been studying human behavior, and they have shown that we still can't hold in our heads a stable definition of terms like business acumen or assertiveness. In fact, when we evaluate other people, we are deeply colored by our own unconscious biases. In terms of psychology, this is called the idiosyncratic rater effect. In fact, research has shown that we are colorblind in 3 areas. Number 1 is strategic thinking. Number 2 is another person's potential. And number 3 is political savvy. So, in fact, if you're going to focus on other people's shortcomings, it impairs their ability to learn and grow. You are better off when you're coaching people or you're mentoring people is to focus on your own feelings and your own experiences. In other words, when you're telling them something, what I experienced versus giving them feedback are 2 different models. I will give you 5 suggestions on how to ask better questions when you're coaching people. So number 1, instead of can I give you feedback, a better way to say is that here is my reaction. Number 2, instead of here's what you should do, a better way would be here's what I would do. Another one, instead of here's where you need to improve, a better way would be here's what worked best for me and here's why. Instead of that didn't really work, you can say when you did this, I felt this, or I didn't get that. Again, it's I focusing on me. Last one, instead of you need to be more responsive, a better way would be when I don't hear from you, I worry that we are not on the same page. In conclusion, focus on what you experienced versus the self-centered approach of telling them what to do is a much more effective way of coaching people. So happy mentoring and have a super day.